Hi there. Welcome back. Mr. J, our maths pro, is waiting to help you with the next step in algebra. Enjoy your session.
Hello guys. We are back with a session to understand how to solve simple equations in algebra. Let's begin. An equation is when we equate an expression to something. Example: x plus 2 is our expression and 5 is what we have equated the expression to. For ease of understanding, we will be using LHS for expressions or numbers on the left side and RHS for the right side. Rule number 1 is to remember that whatever you do on one side of the equation, you do on the other side as well. Rule 2 is to understand that we eliminate one thing at a time. Rule 3 is to note that we do the inverse of the operations to eliminate them and finally find the value of the variable. Let's see some examples. The equation is a plus 2 is equal to 5. We need to combine rule 1, 2, and 3. Eliminate one thing at a time to find the value of the variable. So, we eliminate plus 2 by taking away 2 from both sides. This will give us the answer as 3. Do you understand what is happening here? Let's break it down. It says 3a equals 15, which means 3 times a. So, we divide both sides by 3. We get the answer as 5. P minus 6 is equal to 9. Add 6 to both sides. P equals 15. A divided by 5 is equal to 10. Multiply both sides by 5. A equals 50. If you follow the rules and do one step at a time, algebra is very simple. Let's look at two-step equation now. 3a plus 2 is equal to 5. Remember, one step at a time. We remove the plus 2 by taking away 2 from both sides. This will give us 3a equals 3. The next step is to get rid of the 3 from 3a. This is by dividing both sides by 3, giving us the answer. A equals 1. Try this.
Friends, if we follow the rules mentioned by Mr. J, we will get the answer. 5p minus 7 is equal to 13. We add 7 to LHS and RHS. This will eliminate 7 from the expression. So, 5p equals 20. Then we divide 5 from both sides. Because it is 5 multiplied with p to give 20. This will give us p equals 4.
Let's have a look at this question. Here we have 3 times in brackets a plus 9 equals 36. We need to follow the reverse method here and get rid of the 3. We can do that by dividing both sides by 3, which will make the equation a plus 9 equals 12. Now, as earlier, we will take away 9 on both sides to find the variable a, and our answer is 3. Here's one for you.
In order to solve this, I will first divide both sides by 5 to get rid of the 5 outside the bracket. This will give me x minus 4 is equal to 9. Then I will add 4 to both sides to get rid of the 4 on the LHS. The answer is 13. That was easy. I simply follow one step at a time.
Here is a challenge for you.
For this, we will multiply LHS and RHS by 3 to get rid of it. The 3 on the LHS has to be written in numerator as shown. This will give us a minus 9 is equal to 90. We then follow the earlier method and add 9 to both sides and we get the answer a equals 99.
I am impressed. We will learn more in the days to come.
Thank you, Mr. J, for that awesome session. We will be back shortly with further videos on algebra as shown here. Algebra is a vast topic, but we will break it down for you. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay connected. Until next time, hasta la vista.